Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Flux CD, automate Kubernetes operations step by step clearly. To log into Flux CD, start by opening your terminal. Ensure you have installed Flux on your machine. Check your Kubernetes context to confirm you're connected to the correct cluster. You can verify this by using the command kubectl config current context. Once your context is set, navigate. If you haven't set up Flux yet, follow the Flux installation instructions to streamline your Kubernetes operations. Next, initiate the Flux login command by typing Flux login. You will be prompted to provide the namespace where Flux is installed. Enter the namespace, typically Flux system, unless configured otherwise. After entering the namespace, you will see a link for the Flux web UI. Open this link in your web browser to access the Flux dashboard. On the dashboard, click the Login button at the top right. Choose the authentication method you prefer. Depending on your setup, this could involve GitHub, GitLab, or another provider. If using GitHub, click the GitHub login option. You will be redirected to GitHub's authentication page. Log into your GitHub account if prompted. Authorize Flux to access your repositories. Once authorized, you will be redirected back to the Flux dashboard. Now that you're logged in, you can start managing your Kubernetes resources. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with various features and options. Use the toolbar to access different functionalities as needed. From here, you can automate your Kubernetes operations effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.